Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Jain. I did my engineering from Rumta College, Raipur. During my college days, I love reading books and I read this book by Yuval Noah Harari named Homo Deus. So from there, I got this intuition about, how data is going to play an important role in the future. So then I began my search for enrolling myself into different institutions. So then I landed up my research at AlmaBetter and I got 3 offers within 44 weeks of program start. The primary reason for joining AlmaBetter was their confidence in their curriculum that you have to pay even just after getting placed. There is a risk-free thing. The one-on-one mentorship sessions which happen every week, and we have provided with a industry expert for one-to-one interaction. So that was actually my favorite part, and also the mock interviews which used to happen, so that helped in building more confidence. So the best element of the curriculum, I would say, is the real life capstone project, which actually helped me in my resume building as well, and during my interviews as well. The capstone project, which you have to do in like a team. So that helped me in building a great friendship with similar minded people who are working in this field, data science field only, and helped me in building my network as well. So the curriculum at AlmaBetter is well structured, and it is according to the current demand which is there in the industry. Even a non-technical guy can become a data scientist. So that was actually my experience was.